Osteoarthritis may be the more common illness in old age, but doctors call rheumatoid arthritis much more serious, often even causing bone loss.
In tonight's Real Men Wear Gowns, Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Baker introduces us to a man who's actually learned how to manage it.
Early mid-January of this year, started having a lot of extra joint pain.
65-year-old Alan Strickland says rheumatoid arthritis practically stopped his life in its tracks.
Very difficult walking, very difficult using my hands for much of anything. I could use a mouse on the computer, but it's very difficult to type. Hard to get dressed, undressed, you name it.
Some of the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis include tingling and numbness in your hands and feet, discoloration of the fingertips from inflamed blood vessels, bone fractures caused by a loss of bone. You bruise easily thanks to a low blood platelet count, and breathing issues because the disease is a type of inflammation.
It can attack the lungs, it can attack the heart, so patients with rheumatoid arthritis have a higher risk of heart disease.
Eventually, Strickland ended up at University Health System's Southeast Clinic and found Dr. Hilda Drager, a rheumatologist.
Good. How are you feeling today?
Much better, thank you.
Rheumatoid arthritis is sort of an allergy. And so your body begins to build all this inflammation against its own joints. And so that inflammation, we want to quiet down.
To manage his rheumatoid arthritis, Strickland takes a medication called methotrexate, a pill once a week. He also takes a drug called Humira, which is a shot that he injects himself once every 2 weeks, but he says it's well worth the pain of the needle.
Get it seen, because rheumatoid arthritis is one of those things that the longer you go without treating it, the more permanent damage you get.
Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
As always, if you'd like more men's health information, call 210-358-3045. It's a number on your screen there. You can also find the rest of our Real Men Wear Gown stories at wearthegown.com.